So hello everyone. Today I am Mohit and I am telling about the fact and I am bringing the one scheme that government launched but it is failed for due to its limitation. So let's start. I have bring the scheme of accessible India campaign. It was launched in 3 December 2015 and it is also known as International Day for Disability Person. And the aim of this scheme to create a barrier free for the disabilities person for India. Everyone can access the hospitals and schools, educations, and it is the it is the main there is the main aim for disabilities person and they want to build environment they want to in environment they want to smooth roads they want to build smooth roads ramps and they also put in the hospitals the for disability person uh, they prefer the wheelchair for its lift and the second is transportation any for many people can't access the transportation due to its standard transportation due to its standard so they want to uh, they want to make the scheme that every anyone can access the transportation and they want to create the ecosystem that anyone can take out knowledge that is come from the government that's websites is very beneficial for its and the government of India launch was launched 3rd December 2015 but it is failed due to its some limitation. I divided the limitation first small limitation and the third slide for big limitation. So the first is limitation for of the scheme. First, the first is deadline is again and again. Original target for 2018 slipped to 2019, and then he tends to March 2020, and finally the scheme was made open-ended and no fixed competition. And there is a does it what is it? Weak enforcement and no penalties. The no there is a no legal penalty for buildings, transportation, authorization or websites. And the third is there is a no source of stream from the in the education. And the third slide for limitation second. They prefer the most of narrow and wheelchairs. They don't think about the intellectual disabilities. What happen with this? And the second is rural area. They focus on the citizen, mainly citizen area. They don't focus to the urban area, and that's where most of people lives in urban area, rural area. And the third point is even hospital stay inaccessible. In the COVID-19, there is a most public hospital can't access anyone can't access by the hospital. And the fourth is I obviously said about education. They don't mention in the education about this scheme, and most of people do, उन्हें पता ही नहीं चला. They didn't get to know that is the one scheme for us. And I want to also add that government should follow my advice. The first is make target legally, and they build the proper schedule of to launch and uh, uh, with clear penalties for non-compliant and public buildings. And they also focus on the rural and urban area both. And they when they launched it, so they they can prefer the news channels to speed his websites. And that is my points. Thank you.